Are you having problems that Facebook is not letting you deactivate your account and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly is that I closed my Facebook app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now in my settings app, what I did in here is that I scrolled down and I clicked on general. So I clicked on general. Now in here I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage, as you can see. And now you're just going to simply wait for this page to load in here. Now we're just going to scroll down in here and click on show all. Keep scrolling down until you can see Facebook and click on Facebook in here. Now what you're going to do in here is to click on upload app, and it's going to actually be that you have to click on upload app 2 times and then wait and then click on the reinstall app button. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it, but basically what happens is that you're going to force your Facebook app to automatically update to its latest version. Now when it's done, we can go back into our Facebook app. So I'm just going to go back now and then click on menu in the bottom right corner. So click on menu in the bottom right corner, because by the way, if you're using an Android, menu is going to be in the top right corner instead. Now on this page, you're just going to scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings, click on see more in account center, as you can see the blue button in here. And then you should be taken here. So in here you can actually see a bunch of options, but you're going to scroll down and click on personal details. Then you're just going to simply click on account ownership and control, then deactivation or deletion. Select your profile in here. Then just simply select deactivate account and then click on continue, as you can see. And after that you will be able to deactivate your account. So this is basically exactly how to fix this issue.